start with serial number. So basically what happens, if you find there are 3 to 4 pumps, okay, then
Okay.
how will you understand which pump is where? So in SAP there is one scenario where you can assign the serial number to technical object. Okay, so basically there are 2 parts. One is we can do material serial number. So I will show you where this configuration is belonging to assign the serial number. So let's see configuration of serial number or material. It will be in /mm02. This is change mode of material. So I will see any material. Okay, bearing case. Basic data. Okay. So if you see, there will be one plant specific tab is there in the material. Have you seen any material master before?
No, sir.
Okay, no. So, okay, plant. Okay, general plant and a storage location will be there. This is EMM team. EMM team will assign that serial number. So for our training purpose, I will show you storage location. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, here you will find serial number profile. So basically, you need to assign one serial number profile to create the serial number for that material. This is configuration. So MM team will perform that activity.
Okay.
Tab is plant data storage location 2.
Okay. MM02.
Yeah, in MM02 plant data storage location. This is mandatory. Without assigning serial number profile, you cannot assign serial number to the material. And if required, PM consultant also perform that activity, but it depends upon the business need. Okay, so these are the
One more thing, sir.
profiles.
Like when we are actually getting the client requirement, so you will be getting one Excel sheet, and then you start doing the configuration, no? RFQ, or it is like you both sit together and configure the location, all this data.
I will tell you once we complete our master data.
Okay.
I will show you how the business will do that
Okay.
activities. So
Okay.
it's called it's the starting phase of implementation, and there are 5 phases are there. So I will explain you step by step that phases. Okay. So serial profile 1. I will save this. I will just copy that material where we have activated serial number. Serial number profile. So I will go to view the serial number for that material. So you can go to logistic, plant maintenance, logistic, plant maintenance, management of technical object, and here will be serial number. So here you just need to, if once you click, you will get the default IQ01. So IQ01 is for create, IQ02 for change, IQ01 for create, IQ02 for change, or display. Okay. So serial number. Okay. So here I will give one serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So just a moment. I think this customer equipment I will change it to our category. Basically our category a machine. Yeah.
So we are giving the serial number to machines.
Machine. Correct. So here what happens? If you see do okay, we will use it for refurbishment. I will give you one real time scenario. If you have any profile rolling machine and that profile shaft has been wear out with a time bound, so but you need to do the lapping to that shaft. Okay, lapping. Otherwise, you need to do the reconditioning to the shaft. You need to increase the diameter via some coating, metallic coating over it. So what you will do? You will bring that stuff in the maintenance and you will give it to the vendor. Vendor will do the lapping process. Okay, he will do the hardening treatment over it. He will add the multiple layers and he will bring back to you. Okay, so how we, this is called refurbishment of the shaft. So that shaft will be taken as a one equipment or one material. Okay, and there will be multiple profile machines. So how we will track that you have given which shaft to the vendor? So you need to be provide one number two. You understand?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I will give 4, 5. Oh, okay. Just a sequence. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Enter. So stock type. This stock information. How much stock you type you have. Which type of stock you have. Which plant data. So we need to maintain all that details. So I will give general stock type 01. Storage location. So where it has been stored. Okay. So all this information will be given by your warehouse people. Okay. Okay. Warranty. What is warranty and warranty you can give? Okay. Requirement profile, user data. So I need to activate equipment view. Okay. Equipment class. I will teach you class on later session.
Okay.
So once I click on equipment view, it will, that material will be treated as a equipment.
Okay.
So same we can give. Okay, so I am treating it as a shaft. So let's see shaft is there or not. Otherwise, I will create one object with a profile rolling shaft. I will create object. New trace. One object type and it's PR sharp.
Why it is 901?
It's code. So whatever the shaft or profile rolling shaft will be treated as a 901 code object type. So if you see there are object type, multiple object type, because we cannot each time provide the description. So simply we need to select the object type. If there are electrical pumps or normal pumps, we give the object type as a 300, 3000, like this. This is a code in the SAP system.
901 is for shops.
Yeah. It's not a mandatory. It again depend upon the business requirement, right?
Type of technical update. Okay.
Yes. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, PR shop is the object type. Again, authorization group, maintenance or functional, any. You can select any. Startup. Okay. Structure. Okay. Okay. So serial number 123 has been created to that material. Okay. I will again create 124, 123 and 124. That two shaft we will create subtype plan storage location equipment view pay location object type authorization group. I will just update whatever the mandatory fields. Okay, so for that material we treated it for that we treated is at the material and we have updated the serial numbers. I will just copy. Okay, material already there. Serial number is 123. At the time of refurbishment process, we will review that. It will be useful for us.